हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, आज हम देखेंगे स्टैंडर्ड 8 का हिस्ट्री लेसन नंबर 14 फॉर्मेशन ऑफ स्टेट ऑफ महाराष्ट्र। इस लेसन के क्वेश्चन एंड आंसर्स लेकर क्वेश्चन फर्स्ट, रिराइट द स्टेटमेंट बाय चूजिंग द अप्रोप्रिएट ऑप्शंस। The state of dot dot was formed on 1 May 1916. Answer Maharashtra. Question 2. Dot dot put forth the proposal of Samyukta Maharashtra with Mumbai in the Mumbai Municipal Corporation. Answer Acharya Atre. Dot dot accepted the responsibility as first Chief Minister of Maharashtra. Yashwantrao Chauhan. Question 2. Explain the following statement with reasons. Samyukta Maharashtra Samiti comes to be established. Samyukta Maharashtra movement was started for the purpose of uniting all the Marathi people to make one state. Uniting all the Marathi people to make one state. But the demands and issue of Marathi speaking people started getting complicated and discontent spread among them. In 1956, the meeting was conducted under the chairmanship of Keshavrao Jedhe at Pune to establish Samyukta Maharashtra Samiti. Its executive council comprised of Comrade Shipar Amrut Dange as president, Dr. T.R. Narwane as vice president, and S.M. Joshi as general secretary. G.T. Matkolkar, Acharya Atre, Madhu Dandavate, Keshav Thakre, Y.K. Soni also played important role in the establishing his Samiti. The role of newspaper was important in Samyukta Maharashtra movement. The newspaper like Prabodhani, Keshari, Sakal, Navakal, Prabhat worked for awakening of the people. Acharya Atre started a newspaper called Maratha, which played an important role in this movement. Balasaheb Thakre took up the pen name Mawla and drew cartoons that published in newspapers and made the movement comprehensive. Thus, newspaper played an important role in Samyukta Maharashtra movement. Question 3. Write short note. First, Samyukta Maharashtra Parishad. In May 1946, Sahitya Sammelan at Bengal, a resolution was proposed regarding Samyukta Maharashtra. On 28 July 1946, Maharashtra Ekikaran Parishad was called at Mumbai with Shankarrao Dev as president. It passed a resolution that all Marathi-speaking regions should be included in one state. The resolution also included the Marathi-speaking region of Mumbai's central provinces as well as Marathwada and Gomantak region. Question 2. Constitution of Samyukta Maharashtra Samiti. The Samyukta Maharashtra Samiti was founded on 6 February 1956 under the leadership of Keshavrao Jedhe in Pune. During this time, Senapati Bapat, Nanu Patil, Laljit Pandey led the Samyukta Maharashtra movement to the rural areas. This movement was for the separate state of Maharashtra with inclusion of Mumbai. A hot public agitation arose over the issue of Mumbai and 106 people became martyrs in the open fire by state government. The Samyukta Maharashtra Samiti was successful in gathering sentiments of Marathi people and gaining the support from the Congress. And finally, on 1st May 1916, the state Maharashtra was formed and Yashwantrao Chauhan took the responsibility of becoming the first chief minister. Question 4. Complete the following diagram. जनरल सेक्रेटरी. संयुक्त महाराष्ट्र समिति का जनरल सेक्रेटरी कौन है? एस.एम. जोशी प्रेसिडेंट, कोमराडे शिपाड़ अमरूद डांगे, उसके बाद वाइस प्रेसिडेंट डॉक्टर T.R. नरवाने.
थँक्स फॉर वॉचिंग व्हिडिओ. इयत्ता 8वीच्या मराठी, सेमी आणि इंग्रजी या माध्यमांच्या सर्व विषयांच्या स्वाध्यायाच्या नवनवीन व्हिडिओसाठी चॅनलला सबस्क्राईब नक्की करा, लाईक करा, कमेंट करा आणि वर्गमित्रांना शेअर करा.